Hey everybody, today we are doing something a little different. I got something in the mail today. And I know you're probably looking at this saying, I'm pretty sure it's a Volkswagen part, but what is it? Well, I'm really excited. Let's open it up together and we'll see. I think my knife's getting a little dull here. So I've yet to post the video about this car, going over the car, but this is a 1969 Beetle that is a German market car. It's not a US import, so it's got a lot of things that are different. When I picked up the car last year, I found that it was actually sold new in Cologne, Germany. So I happened to be perusing eBay and I found this. So this is actually a license plate from Cologne, Germany. So I thought that was really cool. All I need to do is add the sticker and do a little bit of touch up on here. But I've got a bracket coming, and this beauty will have a front license plate from her hometown. So I'm really excited about that. I wanted to share it with you all. And once I get the bracket in, get it mounted, I'll be sure to show you. But that's what we got today. Pretty excited about it. Hope you all are having a great day and that you're going to have a great weekend. Let me know what you're working on if you're doing any work on your Volkswagens. Take care.